Hey, what's up people, Martin Unix here. Today I'm gonna show you on how to come up with the Side-Sweft Mohawk by interlocking a barrel twist on short dreadlocks. So guys, if you are new here, kindly subscribe into my YouTube channel, like my work, comment and share. Welcome guys. I've already done the retwist. Now I'm going to start the interlocked barrel twist. We start by picking strand after the other while leaving behind the strands which are at the middle of the barrel twist. That is guys, out of 3, the middle, the second strand is left hanging. Now the strand which has been left hanging is the one we are going to use to interlock by attaching to the second barrel twist row. You need to put into consideration the spacing. That's the most crucial thing you need to put in mind, because the spacing is the one which is gonna give you the rhythm of your style. Then we secure our style at the end. That is at the end of the barrel twist. We have done 3 interlocked barrel twist rows. So we are going to fix the right side just to balance our style guys. Now you will realize that the left side was a little bit elevated. Now the right side, we are going to do it a little lower, just to ensure that our mohawk side sweep it's given a shape. So the sequence is kind of a repetition, whereby we pick 2 strands by leaving behind the middle strand. That is out of 3 strands, you pick the 2 strands which are either side, then you leave the middle one, just to help you to manage your interlock. Now these are short locks guys, so if you have been following my videos, I promise to bring more tutorials on short dreadlocks, because you requested for that, and we are going to do quite a number of them, just for the benefit of our beginners and people in the same industry. So I can't request you guys to subscribe into my YouTube channel if you haven't. Invite your friends, like my work, comment, share on your platforms, that is Facebook, Instagram, and also the groups on your WhatsApp. So you will realize that guys, I'm using 1 strand at the end of the barrel twist to secure my style. Now we are at the back. So guys, out of your experience, you'll get to know that most of our clients locs don't follow symmetrical patterns. So you'll need to use your brains to bring together your strands, as well as leaving behind strands to manage your space, as well as giving your style a rhythm which will be highly acceptable. So you will realize that the fraud, guys, that there are strands which will be left hanging longer, much longer than the other strands. So we are going to pull them back. We are going to try and make a small barrel twist with a loose knot. So remember, guys, that you're going to find that at the front there are some few strands which will be left hanging, which will seem to be longer than the rest. So you are just going to pull them back, make a simple barrel twist, and secure them loosely just to manage the flexibility. Wow, guys, now this is the outcome. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Now that's the interlocked barrel twist with the Mohawk Side-Sweft test. It's really amazing, guys, interacting with you, and I really appreciate your support. So kindly share this to your platforms and be ready for more content. And invite your friends to subscribe into my channel. Thank you, guys.